Hello, welcome to my channel. Many would have gone to Tirumala for darshan of Sri Balaji, but how many would have gone to this Kodanda Ramalayam, which is situated in the center of Tirupati town? I will explain you how Jambavantha is related to this temple. During Ramayan, Rama Lakshmana was searching for the whereabouts of Sita, and Hanuma and Jambavantha also accompanied Rama Lakshmana in the search. During that period, Jambavantha has installed many Rama idols in the places wherever they went. As per the temple Purana, it is said that this Rama statue in this Kodanda Rama temple was one of the statues that was being installed and prayed by Jambavantha. After that, during Dwapara Yuga, Janamejaya Chakravarti has reinstalled the statue and developed the temple. This is also as per the temple Purana. In this temple, Lord Rama will not be seen inside the sanctum sanctorium of Kodanda Ramalayam. However, opposite to the main temple, you can find around 50 meters opposite to the temple, you can find Lord Hanuma temple. On the eve of Brahmoswam, you can see various artists performing before the Garuda Vahana. The peculiar thing in this temple is that you can find Sita ammavaru standing to the right of Sri Ramachandra Murthy, which is against the normal practice of being on the left side. As part of Brahmoswam celebrations of Kodanda Ramalayam, today is being the Garuda Vahanam. We are witnessing Lord Rama mounted on Garuda. He just came out of the Vahan Mandir. The Brahmosvam celebrations will be concluded with the final Utsavam, which is called Tepossavam, which will be conducted in the Swamivari Pushkarani.